When it comes to mobile graphic design, Canva, PixArt, Spark Posts, and FlyerMaker are used most of the time. Graphic design in general is a creative atmosphere where you collaborate your thoughts and ideas into a beautiful masterpiece. In this tutorial, we'll be looking into two powerful mobile graphic design applications, which are Textoon and pixelLab. They are both similar apps with same functionality, quite different in feels and looks. Let's get started. pixelLab is one of the best graphic design apps you can get for free online, and you can absolutely use pixelLab offline. See the download link in the description below. Of course, I've done a tutorial on pixelLab, which you can quickly watch so you'll be properly guided in this present tutorial. For Textoon, its interface looks quite smooth than pixelLab. Adding to this, the arrangement of the design tools is different. You can only use Textoon online. Yes, please. Textoon has good design templates for you to use when compared to pixelLab. One major difference in the design tools is pixelLab has the Bezier tool for creating curves, lines on a design, as you can change the stroke size and color as well. Textoon doesn't have this tool. When it comes to fonts, Textoon has newer fonts than pixelLab when compared to. You can give a quick watch into this tutorial on how you can get fonts for your design in the description below. Get the app that you can work with and start creating.